Virtually any edible vegetable's tough parts like cores, seeds, pits, fibers, rinds, husks, skins, stems, peels can be put into your broth. Remember, what you put in your collection will determine the flavor outcome of the broth. As you accumulate your plant matter, toss it in the freezer to keep it from spoiling. Once you fill your bag or tub, it's time to continue the broth process. Bring potable water to a boil with the plant matter in it, stirring occasionally. Add spices if desired. Once it has been brought to a boil, bring to a simmer and place a lid over it. Let it steep for a long-ass time. Once done steeping, collect the liquid in glass jars through a colander or strainer as to separate and save the plant matter. Once the liquid is collected in jars, reintroduce the saved plant matter with potable water and bring to a boil, spicing if desired. You will repeat the process. The plant matter can handle being used twice, but won't be as flavorful as the first, so more spices may be necessary. Compost your twice-used plant matter. Once fully collected in jars, keep on the counter so they can cool on their own as not to break them in the fridge with a drastic temperature change. Once cooled, place the jars in the fridge for safekeeping. You can use vegetable broth for many things, like soup or to flavor meat or potatoes with. Enjoy!